Essential tips for excelling in technical writing in today's digital age. Effective communication is more important than ever. Whether you are drafting a user manual, writing a technical report, or composing an email, the ability to convey information clearly and concisely is essential. Technical writing, in particular, requires a unique set of skills to ensure that complex ideas are communicated in a way that is understandable to the general public. In this article, we'll explore some essential tips for excelling in technical writing, from understanding your audience to mastering the art of clarity and precision. Understanding your audience. One of the most important aspects of technical writing is understanding your audience. Who will be reading your document? What level of technical expertise do they have? Tailoring your language and tone to suit your audience is key to effective communication. Avoid jargon and complex terminology that may confuse or alienate your readers. Clarity and precision. Technical writing is all about clarity and precision. Use simple language and straightforward explanations to convey your ideas. Break down complex concepts into digestible chunks, and use examples or analogies to illustrate your points. Avoid ambiguity and be as specific as possible in your descriptions. Organization and structure. Organize your document in a logical and coherent manner. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up the text and make it easier to read. A clear and intuitive structure will help guide your readers through the document and facilitate understanding. Revision and editing. Revision and editing are essential steps in the technical writing process. Take the time to review your document carefully, checking for errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Ensure that your writing is concise and to the point, and that all information is accurate and up to date. Incorporating feedback. Don't be afraid to seek feedback from others on your writing. Whether it's from colleagues, supervisors, or end users, incorporating feedback can help improve the clarity and effectiveness of your writing. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to refine your work. Conclusion. In conclusion, excelling in technical writing requires a combination of clear communication, organization, and attention to detail. By understanding your audience, maintaining clarity and precision, and being open to feedback, you can become a proficient technical writer capable of effectively communicating complex ideas to the general public.